Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate Tesla Autopilot. Now, go to Controls on your Tesla touchscreen and tap Autopilot. Navigate on the Autopilot beta and toggle it on. Tap Customize Navigate on Autopilot to adjust preferences. You can enable at start of every trip. Choose whether Navigate to on Autopilot should activate automatically when you start a route, or speed-based lane changes. Adjust how aggressively your Tesla changes lanes, or exit passing lane. Enable or disable automatic movement back to the right lane after passing. Set a destination in navigation, then engage autopilot by pulling the right stalk twice. Enjoy the hands-free navigation experience. Just note that you can navigate on autopilot on beta feature, so always remain attentive and ready to take control. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.